Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2003 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. The band gap of silicon at 300 degree Kelvin is A 1.36 electron volts, B 1.10 electron volts, C zero point 0.80 electron volts, D 0.67 electron volts. Out of 4 options, the correct one is 1.10 electron volts. So this is a basic property of silicon. Band gap is also called as energy gap. Energy gap of silicon at room temperature is 1.10 electron volts, which is a standard one. So this type of questions we should know the important properties of germanium and silicon. This band gap of silicon is asked again as energy band gap of silicon at 300 degree Kelvin in 2005. So we should remember the properties of germanium and silicon. These are the few important properties for germanium and silicon, which includes atomic number, atomic weight, density, dielectric constant, atoms per centimeter cube, that is atomic concentration of germanium and silicon, and energy gap at 0 degree centigrade, 0 degree Kelvin, Eg naught, that is energy gap at 0 degree Kelvin, Eg energy gap at 300 degree Kelvin, that is room temperature, Ni intrinsic carrier concentration at room temperature, intrinsic resistivity at room temperature, mobility of electron mu n, mobility of hole mu p, diffusion constant of electrons dn, diffusion constant of holes dp. All these are standard values. If they are not given in the problem, we can take the values from this one. So these values for germanium and silicon are given in this one. From this one, according to our question, energy gap at room temperature is 1.1 electron volts. So the right answer is B. Thank you.